Okay guys, so today we're going to go pick up another exhaust system for this truck. We're going to change it up a little bit from standard Y pipe to an X pipe. The system I'm going to pick up already has some mufflers attached to it, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so here it is. Got an X pipe, ran into two Flowmaster Super 10s. And now it's time to head to the exhaust shop. Alright guys, so we are back. It is the next day. Wanted to give you guys a cold start with the new system on it. I must say, after driving across town last night, the drone on it is a bit too much for me. So probably gonna get those Flowmaster switched out for something else pretty soon. I mean, the sound and everything does sound good. It's just the drone. So here's what it sounds like.